Hello, I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health. Many older adults eat fruit every day because they believe it is always healthy. But as we age, our bodies process sugar and acid differently. Some fruits may not be the best choice if you struggle with weak legs, stiff joints, or poor balance. Today, I will share the top 5 fruits that deserve extra attention. Remember, this is not about fear. It is about making smarter choices for your health. The first fruit is pineapple. Pineapple contains natural sugar and strong acids. For some older adults, eating large amounts may cause blood sugar to rise quickly. If you already have arthritis or joint discomfort, the acidity may also make your joints feel more sensitive. Pineapple can also interact with certain medicines, including some blood thinners. If you notice more swelling or leg discomfort after eating it, speak with your healthcare provider about whether it is right for you. The second fruit is bananas. Bananas are famous for potassium, but they also contain natural sugar and carbohydrates. Eating them too often or in large portions may lead to higher blood sugar levels in some seniors. People with heart or kidney problems should also be careful because potassium intake may need to be limited. If your legs often feel heavy or swollen, portion size matters. The third fruit is grapes. Grapes are easy to eat by the handful, which makes it simple to consume a lot of sugar without realizing it. They are also high in fructose. For some people, especially those with gout or high uric acid, too many grapes may make joint discomfort worse. Moderation is important if you already have painful knees, ankles, or toes. The fourth fruit is watermelon. Watermelon is refreshing, but it has a high glycemic index. This means it can raise blood sugar quickly, especially when eaten in large amounts. Seniors with diabetes or prediabetes should pay attention to portion sizes. Stable blood sugar helps support better energy and healthier circulation throughout the body. The fifth fruit is oranges. Oranges provide vitamin C, but they are also acidic. If you have acid reflux or certain stomach problems, too much citrus may cause discomfort. Orange juice can also contain a large amount of natural sugar without the fiber found in whole fruit. Eating the whole fruit in moderation is usually a better choice than drinking large glasses of juice. The goal is not to avoid fruit completely. The goal is to choose fruits that work best for your body and enjoy them in reasonable portions. Pair fruit with foods that contain protein or healthy fats to help keep your blood sugar more stable. Small changes like these can help you stay active, protect your muscles, and support your independence as you grow older. Thank you for spending time with me today. I am Dr. Stephen, and this is Gentle Health. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Gentle Health for more simple health advice that helps you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent after 60.